Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. I hope your weekend was as fulfilling. I hope your weekend was as fulfilling as mine. I was able to take care of quite a bit of maintenance on my car. Preventative maintenance. Hopefully it's running well. It seems to be doing fine, but I had to do a few things to it. Change the brakes. The front brakes were beginning to give that warning signal like they were getting low, and certainly the brake pads were pretty thin, so I was able to get them changed, and I also did a really quick transmission service on it. So that's taken care of now, and I am being greeted by this wonderful sunset, which is making the hills become ablaze. Just a wonderful scene. I love it when the sun just peeks through the base of the clouds at sunset. Such a great feeling. I have set up my camp stove and I'm getting ready to make grilled cheese with tomato soup. Looking forward to that, and I'm going to camp here for the night, and then I am on my way into the hills, into the higher elevations. I'm ready to see some snow, and I will be heading that way on my next video. Hope you all are doing well. Thanks for checking in with me. Oops, something just blew over. And I just fell in a hole. I appreciate you watching these videos. I hope you get something out of them. I hope maybe they inspire at least someone out there to take off. Just hop in their car and just go. Do something that you've always wanted to do. I've dreamt of doing this trip since I was, probably since I was about 8 or 9 years old. And a lot of people told me it was kind of a nutty idea. And so it took me a long time. It took me a lifetime to go ahead and kind of get the courage. And courage is a funny word. Sometimes it takes courage to do even simple things that you're just not ready to do yet. But this has been one of the most fulfilling adventures that I've ever had, and I hope maybe possibly it's been inspiring to you. All right, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.